It's a move that is being hailed by many as one that legitimizes cryptocurrency and other digital assets like non-fungible tokens. Let's talk about the big announcement in Budget 2022. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman saying that crypto assets, the gains on crypto assets, will be taxed at 30%. Now, what was happening before this announcement? What was happening is that this was being treated as other income and it was sitting on top of your regular income. So if you fell in the highest tax bracket, then the gains on sale of cryptocurrencies would then be taxed at 30%. And if you were in one of the lower tax brackets, then that relevant slab rate was what was applicable. That's all set to change now. Now, what is more important and what will likely end the prospects of cryptocurrency as a currency here in India is the fact that there will be a tax deducted at source that is applicable. All buyers of cryptocurrency, and there are a few exceptions which I will get into, all buyers of cryptocurrency will now have to deduct tax deducted at source of 1% of the value of the transaction. So for example, if I were to sell you a Bitcoin, you would effectively pay me 28.5 lakh or thereabouts minus the applicable tax, which in this case would be around 28,500. You would then have to pay that tax to the department on its portal before the 7th of the next month. Now, this is applicable irrespective of whether you pay this in cash or a combination of cash in kind or simply in kind. So imagine this. An automaker decides to sell you a car for cryptocurrency. As a buyer of that car who pays in cryptocurrency, you would have to deduct a 1% TDS. And there isn't likely to be many companies that are going to be comfortable with that. Now, the exceptions that I was talking about have to do with regular individuals like yourself and me. That puts the cap at 10,000 rupees. So if you're transacting in cryptocurrency for less than 10,000, then there is no requirement for you to have a tax deducted at source. For business income of up to 1 crore and professional income of up to 50 lakh, that limit is 50,000 rupees. This can be multiple transactions over the course of the year. Another major update is that there will not be any loss that can be set off against capital gains in any other asset. And this is something that could be a major drawback because all other asset classes allow you to set off losses made. And finally, this is something that is going to have a big bearing on the cryptocurrency market. Is that the government is going to be working in conjunction with the central bank to launch what is called a central bank digital currency. So the bottom line is, while the government is interested in legitimizing crypto assets, it's making certain provisions that might limit its utilization.